Hi everybody, so welcome back to my YouTube channel Placement View, RBI Summer Internship. So I know you all have so many of ample questions like whether the results have been declared, is there any chance to get selected right now or not, whether we can be the part of RBI Summer Internship 2025, whether the applications of new internship have been open or not, mails for the rejections or something has been declared or not, and what not. I know you all have so many of questions, so I'm here. So first question is, RBI results declared or not? So the answer is very well yes, the RBI has declared the results. And the second question is, when did the RBI declare the results? As usual in the month of Feb and the March. Still now RBI is declaring results. Many states have declared, but some are not. So might be the chances are there that in the month of April also the results will be declared. So don't lose the hope right now. The chances are bright that there can be the mail from RBI internships. Okay. Now the next question is, how do you know that how do you get the RBI mails or something? Okay. For the selection, RBI will give you the mail. HR mail will be there. And for rejection, no mail is there or no sort of information is available on even the website. I repeat myself, RBI declare results to the selected students on their mails which they have given on their official, when they are filling the forms, they have might submitted the mails. But there is no declaration of rejections or something. If you don't have received any mail, I'm sorry to say, but you might not be the selected in RBI summer internship. One of the latest and the very biggest hot question right now is how RBI selects students. So the answer for the question that how RBI select the student is, RBI selects students on the basis of bachelor's percentage. If you have very high or the good percentage in your bachelor's, then your chances are very bright, then you will be selected for the RBI summer internship. Most of these states select the students on the basis of bachelor's percentage, but recent trend, there has been some changes in these selections. They also select on the basis of the the experience you have or how powerful your resume is, right? Apart from your the studies or something, extracurricular activities also plays the major role. Like if you know Excel very well, if you know PowerPoint very well, if you have some sort of internships in some other organizations as well, then your chances are very bright for that prospective point of view as well, because nowadays vocational studies are making big impact. So RBI nowadays take the students on the basis of a bachelor's percentage as well as extracurricular activities or something. If you are brilliant in that, then you might have chance that you might receive the mail from the RBI internships. Okay. One of the question which I receive, on regular basis, if I say, is the difference between the research internship and summer placement internship. Both internships are different, both have the different curriculum to play, both have the different mindset of the students which are selected, right? For research internship, it is thoroughly on the basis of economics or economy or something remote. It's a long duration internships, and it is for the 6 months, and the internship is solely done in the difference between research and summer placement. So the summer placement internship is basically for the ones who are pursuing MBA, who after the bachelor's, if they want to have some flavor or the taste of how the RBI works or something, then this internship is for you. But if you are already doing some jobs or already into some corporate journey or something, then I would suggest please continue that. In the sake of RBI, don't just go there, because this is for the ones who have, or who wants internship name, or who are finding for some internships, right? So for the MBA students, this internship is a I would say the golden chance. They shouldn't, I would say they shouldn't miss that, right? For the MBA finance students, because this is one of the thing which will change their life throughout. In and there, throughout this journey will change their life, as it has changed mine a lot. Okay, so this how the summer placement internship plays the role. And this internship is for 3 months or 2 months, up to your level. If you want for 1 month also, you can do the internship for 1 month. But research internship is a strict internship. It is done for the 6 months, and the stipend for the research internship is way higher. It's 40,000, 40 to 60,000 something. But for the summer placements, it's approximately 20,000, and it varies to state. If you are from Chandigarh, you will be selected for Chandigarh RBI. If you are from Kolkata, you will be selected for Kolkata RBI, right? So this is how the major states play for the research and summer placement and. So I think I have answered most of your questions about will the RBI send the mails or something. Okay, so if you are preparing for your RBI interviews or something, if you want my help, I will be giving in the description box below the website link. You can go and check out the services which we provide. I give the personal one-to-one, that one-to-one services about the RBI interviews, or how you can prepare yourself, your doubt sessions, one-on-one chat, something is also there. Okay, if you want digital products about the what were the questions of RBI or something, you can also go down and in the website, and you can check that the digital products are also available there. You will be getting one PPT, and you can get the questions from that PPT as well. If you want the resource to learn, that is also available. If you want to know how to fill the RBI application forms, that is also available in the resource section, and you can get from the digital products in that website only, right? So everything in that website is available. That is one stop solution for everything of your questions. If you want to book the session, you can book one-on-one live sessions. If you want to have resource from where you can learn, you can get the PPT in the digital products, and you can just go there. If you want to know how RBI use Excel, PowerPoint or something, one-on-one sessions are available there. You can book your sessions over there also. Why I would recommend to book the session is, see, you also know that here I receive 200 to 500 questions on one video, and answering all that questions in one shot is difficult for me also, right? And for example, why I'm saying is the booking of the sessions is important, because if you have your interview, for example, right day after tomorrow, and you want your answers, you can just go there and book your sessions, book the available date, and get your answers, right? For me, answering all sort of 200 to 500 questions on one video is way difficult right now, because I have a lot of other works to complete and a lot of other journeys also to play around, because I have a job to do or something is always going around. So if you want, I would suggest, and even I would request all you to not to write any messages on me on LinkedIn or mails. Better to book the session. That would be way benefit for me also, for you also, right? You will be able to get your all the answers in one stop solution, and that is the Topmost website, right? That's a very perfect website. You can book your sessions there and get your answers. Okay, so I hope I have answered all your questions, and good luck for your upcoming RBI journey. Who have selected, who are appearing or something, I just wish you very very best for your life, and all the best. Yeah, please subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos, because we have planned a lot for the YouTube channels